Okay, welcome to my unboxing of the H100 Liquid Cooler from Corsair. This is a water cooler from Corsair, as I said. It's a closed loop, so that means no maintenance or anything like that. All you have is a pump and a radiator, and you have some liquid inside, and you never get to see the liquid because it's just black. So, let's open it up. Actually, before we do that, this cooler supports LGA 775, 1155, 1156, 1366 and 2011. And it also supports AMD sockets AM2 and AM3. Okay, let's open this up. So, in this massive box you get some foam padding on the top, another stock pamphlet. What is this? How to install, quick installation guide. Corsair Solutions Guide 2010. Yep. Let's just move that foam out of the way. And here you have the back plate, so you can keep it nice and strong. And you also have AMD mounting hardware. So let's move that off to the side. In this bag you have screws and thumb screws and all that, so you can mount it on. You have two 120mm fans, so you can put that onto the radiator. And you have the radiator and pump itself right here. So, if I can get this open, as you can see, this is a dual 120 rad. It's quite a dense rad. It contains all the fluid and everything, and these little pipes are quite sort of tough and flexible. Here's the pump. This little button controls the fan speed. You connect your fans through here. On the bottom you have a little copper base with thermal compound already on it. You don't need to get rid of this thermal compound. I've heard that this thermal compound is very high quality thermal compound, so no need to worry about anything. So let's just move that stuff out of the way. There's nothing else in the box. So here it is in the full. You have, this is where the 120mm fans go. So yep, thank you for watching my unboxing of the Corsair H100 Liquid Cooler. Please subscribe and also like this video.